In this sum, the length is 50, the height is 30, and the depth is 30. So what we will do is that first we will draw that 30-degree line, and a vertical axis. So x, y, and z axis. So first we will start with the origin. Now you know that the length is 50. We will mark over here 50 millimeter. The height will be 30. So mark here. And depth will be 30. So we will complete this layout. You will complete the layout by using this dimension. Now this is, you can say, main diagram. This is the front view. Now we'll mark this as a, suppose, A point, a B point, C, D, E, and F. Now first we'll start it from A. A to B will be 50 millimeter. Then height B to C will be 30. Mark 30 over here. This is C. Then C to D will be 20 millimeter. So mark 20. And D to E will be 20 down. 30 minus 10, that is 20 millimeter down. So we'll draw a line 20 millimeter downward, this one. Now this is distance. So what is it? 50 minus 20. So this is the 30 distance. Then E to F will be the 30 distance. So join the EF, this is the distance 30, then join FA. Now ABCDEF part is completed. You can see this. Now the top view of this ABCDEF will be this line. This line. The top view of this ABCDEF will be this line visible in a top view. Is this. Now we have drawn this top view. Now after drawing this front view, you know that in isometric, whatever there is on the front side, that will be the same thing on the rear side. Same part will be replicated on the rear side. And that distance will be come by using this top view depth is given. So from C you draw a line of 30 millimeter behind. Then from D also you draw a line 30 millimeter behind. Then join this. From E also you draw a 30 millimeter line behind. And from F also you join this or draw a line 30 millimeter behind. Now join these points, join this line, and 10 millimeter also down, join this line. Here you can see the same structure will be here also. This will be the same as this of the front side. So the front, this will be the front, and this will be the top, this portion you can see in this top view. And this portion will be this one. So when it indicates the dark line, be careful, that indicate the dark line indicate there is a change of plane. There are at the two different planes.